Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious Filipino-style barbecue sauce. We'll cover the essential ingredients and simple steps to create a marinade that truly captures the authentic taste. This sauce is known for its perfect balance of sweet, savory, and tangy notes, making it a favorite for grilling. Get ready to elevate your barbecue game with this fantastic recipe. Let's gather our core ingredients. You'll need about 1/2 cup of soy sauce, which forms the savory foundation. For that signature Filipino tang, we'll use approximately 1/4 cup of fresh calamansi juice. Sweetness comes from about 1/3 cup of brown sugar. Don't forget minced garlic and a good dash of black pepper to round out the flavors. Now let's mix everything together. In a large bowl, combine your soy sauce, calamansi juice, brown sugar, garlic, and pepper. Whisk well until the sugar is fully dissolved and all ingredients are integrated. Once your sauce is ready, add your meat, ensuring it's fully coated. Marinate for a minimum of 3 hours or, ideally, overnight in the refrigerator for maximum flavor absorption. It's time to grill. Cook your marinated meat over medium heat, turning often and basting generously with the remaining sauce. This helps create that wonderful caramelized glaze. Continue grilling until the meat is tender and cooked through. Serve your delicious Filipino barbecue skewers hot, perhaps with a side of steamed rice, and enjoy the incredible flavors you've created.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.